Hello and welcome again. Today we have another question on the board. We have that x plus 9 squared is equal to 49. And we're supposed to find the value of x. Let us go right ahead and solve for the value of x. Solution. So we have that x plus 9 all squared is equal to 49. Okay? Now, x plus 9 squared is in the form of a plus b all squared. And this is the same thing as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So if we rewrite the left-hand side of this equation, then it becomes, because our a now is x and our b is 9. So now it becomes x squared plus 2 times x times 9 plus 9 squared equals 49. Right. So now we have x squared plus 2 times x times 9 will give us 18x plus 9 squared is 81 equals 49. So now what do? We can move 49 over to the left-hand side from the right-hand side, or we can just subtract 49 from both sides. Okay, so now this becomes x squared plus 18x plus 81 minus 49. 49 minus 49. Okay, so now this becomes x squared plus 18x plus 81 minus 49 is what? So 11 minus 9 will give us 2. 7 from 4 will give us 3. And that is equal to 0. All right. So now how do we find the value of x? What are the two numbers that we can multiply to give us 32? And when we add them up, we'll still get positive 18. Okay, so those two numbers will be 16 and 2. Okay, because 16 times 2 is 32. And then 16 plus 2 also gives us positive 18. So now we have x squared plus 16x plus 2x plus 32 equals 0. So now we have x squared So we have x into bracket x plus 16 plus 2 into bracket x plus 16 equals 0. So now this becomes x plus 16 and this is x plus 2 equals 0. Now, so we have two equations, x plus 16 equals 0, equation 1, and we have x plus 2 equals 0, equation 2. So x plus 16 is equal to 0x, then now becomes minus 16. Okay, that's our x1. So now x2 plus 2 is equal to 0. x2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, so the two values of x is minus 16 and minus 2. Right. Now, let us try to solve this question again in a different way. Okay, so now we have x plus 9 squared equals 49. Right? So now we can square both sides, right? If we introduce square roots to both sides, this 2 cancels out the square root, and then we have x plus 9 equals square root of 49 is plus or minus 7. All right, so now we have x, subtract 9 from both sides, we have x plus 9 minus 9, subtract 9 here, we have that. That cancels out. We have that x now is equal to minus 9 plus or minus 7. So here we have two solutions, right? We have that x is equal to minus 9 plus 7, first solution. And then we also have, let's say x1. x2, we have minus 9 minus 7 as second solution. So now that means x1 is equal to minus 9 plus 7 will give us what? Minus 2. Okay? And then for the second one, x2, minus 9 minus 7 will give us minus 16. Okay? So x1 is equal to minus 2, and then x2 is equal to minus 16, just like the answer we got earlier as well, but now using a different method. So let us go ahead and verify just to make sure that our answers are correct. Question is x plus 9 all squared equals 49. So we're trying to find out if x plus 9 squared is equal to 49. If we plug in the value of x, are we going to get 49 on the right hand side? So first value of x is minus 2. So if we plug in minus 2 in place of x, we get minus 2 plus 9 all squared equals, we're trying to find out if that's going to be equal to 49. Minus 2 plus 9 is positive 7 squared equals 49. 7 squared is 7 times 7, right? And that is 49. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and that is 4 minus 2. Now if we go ahead and plug in minus 16 as well, we have x2 is minus 16. We have minus 16 plus 9 all squared equals 49. That's what we're trying to find out. Minus 16 plus 9 is minus 7. Okay, all squared equals 49. Minus 7 squared is minus 7 times minus 7. And minus times minus is plus. 7 times 7 is 49. And we can see that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. Okay, so therefore, our values of x, which are x1 equals minus 2 and x2 equals minus 16, are both correct answers. So, if you enjoyed the solution to this question, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like the video, share the video, go through the solution step by step so you can understand how it was solved. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, share it, subscribe, like the video. I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye-bye.